The importance of Subpage authority in your practice's website. Most practices focus on their homepage and think that's enough, but the truth is that every page on your website has the potential to bring in new patients. Each service page, from dental implants to joint replacement, acts as its own mini hub, building authority in search engines and guiding patients through their journey. We call this a macro and micro content strategy. Macro content establishes your overall expertise and trustworthiness, while micro content dives deep into specific services, conditions, and patient questions. Together, they create a network of pages that reinforce your authority online and positions your practice as the go-to provider in your local, regional, or national market. At Modern Practice, we design and optimize every page so that it works together. This attracts, educates, and converts patients. And this approach drives the right traffic to you and people who are actively searching for your services and ready to take action. When your subpages carry real authority, your practice dominates search results, earns patient trust, and fills your schedule faster.